Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, if log base b of 2 equals a and log base b of 3 equals b, then write the expression log base b of 9 over 2 in terms of a and b. All right, so our goal here is to rewrite this log in terms of just a and b. So let's go ahead and bring down our log expression here. Now we have the log of a fraction here. So how do we split up a fraction? Here is the rule. So we do the log of the top guy minus the log of the bottom guy. All right, so let's apply that to our log here. So we'll have log base b of 9 minus log base b of 2. All right, so now we have one of the logs in terms of 2, which is nice. So we can substitute a in for this guy. But what about the log base b of 9? How are we going to simplify this? Because our goal is we want this log expression to be in terms of log 2 and log 3. Well, think about 9. What can we do with that 9? Well, we know 9 is 3 squared. So I'll write down the side here. So 9 is 3 squared. So I'm going to rewrite this. Log base b of 3 squared. All right. Now, what can we do with this 2? It's an exponent on the argument. So there's a rule that we can move that exponent to the front here, and it'll be a coefficient in front of the log. You can also move this coefficient back to the exponent if you wanted to. But in this case, it better serves this problem if we move this 2 to the front. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to write this here. So that 2 is going to come out front. It's going to become 2 log base b of 3 minus log base b of 2. All right, so now we've transformed this log expression into an expression that has log of 3 and log of 2, which is great because we can substitute now b in for log 3 and a for log 2. So let's go ahead and do that substitution. So it's become 2 times b minus, and then log of 2 is a. There it is. So we have successfully transformed our log expression in terms of a and b. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.